The AGM Pad P2 Active is a rugged tablet with a very nice design. It has a decent look and it comes with added protection, guys. What I'm saying is this tablet actually comes with a protective case. It's a rugged case, very durable according to AGM. And fortunately, this rugged case ships with the device, so you don't have to buy it separately. It's a very nice thing, guys. Now, without the case, the AGM Pad P2 is water resistant and dust resistant. And as regarding the top specs of the Pad P2 Active, it is powered by the Helio G99, which isn't bad, and it has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It has a single 50MP rear camera and an 8MP front facing camera. The device also packs a massive 8000 mAh battery, and it supports 20 watts fast charging. The device also has an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, and it supports wideband L1, which means that you could be able to stream on your favorite, the most popular streaming platforms, including Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and so on, in HD quality, guys. It's impressive. The phone also ships with the Android 14, which is nice. And I forgot to mention that the display is actually 90Hz. The refresh rate is 90Hz. Very impressive. Additional features includes NFC. It supports dual SIM, which is nice. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. It supports OTG, FM radio, GPS, Wi-Fi, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the AGM Pad P2 Active. And as regarding price, it's currently available on AliExpress for about $393, and according to AGM, it's going to be available for $199.99 or $200 from the 17th of June, which is its official launch date. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the AGM Pad P2 Active? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.